they do the documents of France, everything. Say me all of us go. Small money when we see the gather, we see get like that kind 500,000 dey my side. My daddy get 500k. My mommy still get some kind money. When we dey gather, even that time they manage one small store. I sell all my aluminium door when they sell like 5. I sell all. My papa sell zinc when they sell because my dad dey do plumbing work, all those things. He sell am, we gather the money, we go Lagos, we go the book document. I can even show whether your document paper. May I print the France this thing? May I show them? May they see.
Continue.
So as we reach there, we got to stay for one of our family side for Lagos. We waka 3 days to take print that document. The document can't really come out. We cautious to start say we don't book appointment to we don't come. I by myself bros. I print document of France. How they take the travel. I by myself I fill am. I send and give it and get one thing and D. You get one thing with the call that I don't forget and DS. They say now that thing that they do. And they interview first. So we can't go. I can't send and give them because they will get back to me. Make we they go back Benin. This one we dey talk so we don't spend money over 800k so kind money we don't spend and we can't come back as. The day we be as we all the rich as I got as we rich as I got tell my dad say money don't finish. How we go take do this thing now? We call it put eye for 500,000. Sako it say the bear I don't reach you. How much in I don't got?
My sister, hello. My sister.
Yes.
Now I am getting more confused because you told me, according to your husband, she said.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
More than mute. According to your husband, she said they told their lawyer here.
Let's see the door remote.
According to your husband, he said he told his lawyer here that Jennifer only have a mother and 2 sisters, right? What this guy is telling me now is different. Did you tell this guy that because his sister applied for France, say may all of them go do passport when they take on France, my sister?
Then they try to mix this thing.
The sister
The
said,
Netherlands lawyer when they say it's quite different than the French lawyer.
did you also tell this boy that in case of maybe anybody call him, maybe the social or anything, that he should tell the social that the person that brought her to Europe was because of what the father did to that person before? That was the main reason why the father that was the main reason why they now took Jennifer to Europe, just in exchange of saying thank you to the person. Did you say that too?
Come again, sorry.
My sister, listen to me. According to what this guy has been saying, which is this
Hold on. Is that very important? Wait for somebody they come here and they come.
Oh, my sister.
Is that really a very important question to ask?
Yes, that is a very important question because nobody knows why the social. Excuse me, sir. It has a lot to do because nobody knows why the social stop answering their messages. Because if it is true that your wife told this guy to go and tell the social that the reason that I don't know how I want to put on the reason why Jennifer is in France today was because of what their father did to someone. That was the reason why Jennifer did not carry Jennifer to France in exchange of saying thank you. Then that is a human trafficking already. That is a pure human trafficking. That is a very sensitive question. It's like a trade. It's like a trade by barter. The company said at the help where the papa help somebody. Now make the call carry Jennifer.
You understand? Somebody I did not even know how she traveled to France.
Yes.
How will I advise for that?
No, that is why I'm asking you if you guys.
Somebody I did not know when she came. Even the date she entered France, I don't know. Till today, I don't even know. Why will I build up a case?
Okay, so what now transpired that now made everything to just go down the drain?
Now, correct. The reason to that is their fault. They are there because the last document that was asked for them to produce, you understand? That is producing their bank statement.
Their bank statement.
If I wanted that money to enter my account, I will have received that money since. But because I know the type of family I am dealing with, I asked the lawyer that I want only their account so that the money should be paid into their own account.
And how much is this, sir?
Now, first of all, we receive a letter.
Yes.
You understand? That it is possible they can receive a compensation for almost. You understand?
Madam, let your husband talk. I don't understand that. Sir, continue.
You understand?
Yes.
They say that the possibility that the family, that is the father, mother, and the children that are here to get the compensation of 10. Because I know the family.
Please, sir, I did not hear what you were saying. My children came to interrupt the live stream, please.
What they did not hear is I told the lawyer that I don't want that money in my account.
How much did they say that they want to pay, sir? How much?
I don't want to receive a cent.
Yes. How much?
On the letter, it is written that there is a possibility for them to get the compensation up to 10,000 euros.
Up to 10,000 euros.
Per person.
I'm very interested in this matter. Okay.
You understand? They say the sibling will not get nothing. That is what I was told.
Okay, they said that the siblings will not get nothing.
Finish.
Me brother, they said that the siblings is not going to get nothing.
Until the case finish. Because that 10,000 euros is for them to use it as a budget so that they can come to France.
Oh, that is not the main money that they will pay them.
Because the lawyer said actually France doesn't pay money in the middle of the case. The lawyer said that in France we normally pay money when the case has ended. So when everything is clear, they decide if it's going to go to jail, what's going to happen, that's when they pay compensation. But because we mentioned that there's not enough money for the family to come, that's when the lawyer said, okay, we're going to see what we can do to help. So the lawyer, we have everything on screenshot, so we can send that to you later through WhatsApp. So she said she's going to see if they can get part of the money so that they can be able to travel, fix the visa, places to stay, everything. So that is the money.
All of them? Is it all of them or just
this is just for the mom and the dad, because we were trying to get everybody. When I said in the
excuse me, madam. Now it's not the mom and dad, but you guys earlier told me that you told your lawyer that it's just the mom and that they have two siblings. So how come now that you are not trying to? The thing is now confusing, sir.
No, you did not understand. That is what Jennifer stated when she came to France. That's what was written on her paper. So when we even contacted the lawyer did everything out there. She said, but it's incorrect because France knows that Jennifer has a mom and two sisters or two siblings. I don't know if it's sister or brother. A mom and two siblings. So we said, no, she has.
Please, who is talking? Who is talking? Please, who is talking, madam?
I'm the daughter. Good evening.
Oh, you are the daughter.
Yeah, I'm the one who was in contact with the lawyer of my dad. So I was assisting.
Okay.
So, yeah, so the lawyer told us, France doesn't know that Jennifer has a dad and further siblings. So we thought, okay, we're going to be honest. We told her that she has so and so and so siblings. She has a mom and a dad, and it would be nice for all of them to be at the funeral when that time comes, so that they can all be there. That was what we were trying to fight for. It's on the mail. So can send that to WhatsApp later.
Yes, I need the papers. I need all the papers so I can go through it and translate to.
I can send you all the papers. I can send you all of it. We have all of it.
Okay.
The only thing you can guarantee say they post that.
So why did you guys not stop? Why did you guys not stop and tell the lawyer that
I
you
can't
are?
hear you. Can you repeat again, please?
Why did you guys not stop? Why did your father not tell the lawyer to stop everything?
Okay. So if I have to be very honest, they know themselves because we started the case. This case. So every time there was something else going on, the lawyer. People know that lawyer is not only our case she will fight. She has other things that she's doing as well. There came a time that we were fighting it because it was not fast enough for the family. What I can understand, because maybe, it's a hard thing that happened. So I can understand that maybe it wasn't fast enough for them because we had to send the paperwork. The lawyer will send me papers that they need to sign. So I will send it to them. And they felt like it wasn't going fast enough. So as I understood, they were talking to people in France because the lawyer came to us and told us that he understood that the siblings or the dad was talking with someone in France. And that person called the lawyer and was asking different questions. So the lawyer advised for us to tell the family to keep things within the family while we are busy with everything now. Okay. So we told them that it came to a point that they said they didn't want our lawyer anymore. They wanted us to stop everything. That's what they said themselves. They sent a whole, was it text message or voice record or text message?
Now, let me, listen to me. If I am being sincere to you, the mistake came from when you decided to change the name of Jennifer after she passed on.
Listen. No, that's what you think. But why that is not a mistake is because my mom's last name and my uncle's last name in Nigeria matches. But Jennifer had a whole other name in France. So how can we fight for somebody that we call our family member if the name is not the same? So the first thing we have to do, that's even what the lawyer advised, is be honest. How come she has a different name? We don't know who gave her that name, but this is the name we know her for. This is the name that she got when she was born.
The names that we know for the
The names and what my dad was trying to explain with the lawyer earlier in the Netherlands, the moment that my parents found out that she was in France, we tried to get her to Europe. To the Netherlands. Sorry, to the Netherlands. We tried to get her here. You understand what I'm saying?
Wait. You wanted to import a dead body to the Netherlands?
No. You are not understand. No, hold on, sir. No, when she was alive.
Oh.
You were mixing it up in the beginning, so I'm trying to clear it.
Okay.
When she was alive, when she was alive, she was in France for some years. At a certain point, was she the one that I don't want to say what I don't know, so I'll say what I know. So when she was alive, at a certain point, we wanted to bring her to the Netherlands because how she was explaining to us, we saw that her life in France was not it was not really good. So we wanted her to come to the Netherlands to go to school and have a better life. So for that to happen, we had to contact a lawyer in the Netherlands. That's way back. And the lawyer here advised us what to do. We went to the police to make a statement that this and this is going on. So that is the part of the lawyer earlier. But it's not like they wanted to bring her from Nigeria or whatever. So what I was saying is, why we wanted to stop the question that you asked, first, the family asked us. The brothers, the three brothers, sent us a voice record saying or message saying that they want us to stop everything.
That is after the mess.
That's after they messed up the visa problem at first. Okay. After that, they said they apologized. They said they want us to continue. Fine.
How did they make? See, can you explain how they messed up the visa issue?
I can explain, of course. Of course, I can explain. Okay. That's what I'm saying. People are saying the story is long, so I'm trying to make it short. But I can, if you ask, no problem. Okay, so the family put money together. My auntie from Germany, my uncle from Italy, my uncle from Rotterdam, the Netherlands as well. Everybody put money together. So the uncle they were talking about is the uncle in Rotterdam. Oh, Mama, correct me if I'm wrong, eh? Okay, so exactly. They gave the money for the ticket because the lawyer kept on telling us the email is there. So after everything, I can send you the email so that you can see everything.
You know what? Hold on. You know what? Before we proceed again in this very issue, I want you to forward everything to me so I can send to few of my fans in France to translate for me. We'll proceed from
Can you
here
repeat it
tomorrow.
again, please? I can't hear you so well.
I said I want you to forward me all the details. Like I need the papers and everything, so we will
Okay.
understand the
No, no
context of
problem.
it. So that when you are trying to explain, we will know where you are going to. I think that is the best.
Okay.
I want us to see the evidence. Please, guys.
Okay, hold on. Let me
Where
turn
are
it
my
down.
France
Hold on.
people? France, oh yeah. Please, you put me to power tap. Where is the father? I need the where are they? Where are they now? Where the man say? Kingsley, where are you?
And one more thing, the brother, there's a voice record I'm also going to send to you because they were saying the money that he mentioned that my uncle that she returned the money back. It was by his own request. We have a voice record. Mama, send it to this phone. Let me send it to him. Wait, let me first send him on the
I
phone.
don't help you now. Help me, sir. Help me, sir. I've helped you, sir. Maybe on your network.
Is your number the number that ends with 33 as well?
Give me my talk. Give me.
Yes.
Hello.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you very much, boss. Now call me. It help me.
Come on video.
Okay,
Just as I did. So,
Wait now. Come on video.
okay, boss. I don't have it. Don't worry.
Send it to me.
Hello, boss. So
Yes,
just as I dey explain, just as I dey explain the con, you know, say I be there where I tell you say we said things when we want to travel. That some of my uncles send money, give my
And
auntie.
see all this document come out there.
So as we carry those
Let's send your own document for me first. No explain again. I get
Now-
the document if you translate the thing from France.
Oh yeah, bring document. Bring document. Bring document. Proof. And you give Brother Messi the explain. Okay. The explain.
So as those money when they say when we sell our things for Lagos, sell those things take go Lagos. When interview come, my sister say money not dey. Now I call sister for parlor. Even my brothers did it that day. Now I call her say sister, interview.com, oh, paper for interview.com, oh, we not see money, oh. He say he not get money. I call all of them. They say they not get money. Then my sister call to us say, since we not see money, he don't reverse that 500,000 naira back to the man who send money to take support. Ask her if na lie. If he not reverse that money back to the man when be one support for my people travel. When they talk another thing for there. These people they see document where they send come. Now that document be this. Give me one. Now they show them.
No, don't worry. Sophie settle down. Sophie settle to
show you.
See am.
Settle down.
One by one. Can I say that for the WhatsApp, bro?
Maybe they send that to me one by one, small.
For WhatsApp.
Okay,
I get for that your what is that?
Shisha.
For that Shasha account.
Send that to the moderator. Yes, you send that for me.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Explain.
So bros, not be smart, you know. Then before we call come, sister call say no dey wait for that tribal matter again. After the time call go, time don come, time call. Then Ella see dey fight for those things. This my auntie now call go write for a lawyer, go write say the burial, she just relative that they want make the burial be private, family relative. Even all the friends and the people of my sister, no one fit go the burial. My mother now not fit there for the burial. My mother won't be the family relative not fit go. Now let those people go there, go bury my sister. Then before we call commerce. After they don't bury her, the day when they bury her finish that day, now I reach us. Now I ask my sister, say, sister, oh, now they don't bury my sister. How far about the children? Sister want tell me say he don't know that one day.
Yes,
Now so it speak that English. He say he don't know that one day. He don't know that one day about the children. But what they try to fight, whether na compensation. Then when the compensation time reach, because say they go print, they go snap, they go bring what they call am, statement of accounts for bank. Say they want send money come oh. May they go statement of account. They call they tell me because I already dey fed up on the case. I can say I know they talk again for those people. Because maybe they go bring statement of account before the office send money. He said, okay, the compensation don't come. Oh. He said, may they bring statement of account so that the office send money. My daddy do statement of account go. My mommy do set back account come. Nothing come outside. Small time come again. He say make they bring what do they call am? He say make they bring and not be statement of account. You get one that you see me break come bank US international account. He say make they bring international account. Now cause say how do they bring international account? You won't be sister when you get and they say they not because send the money to the parents account again. He say he go need international account. He say me go find how we go take get international accounts. Now cause say how we take get this way business and you get the link. Shebi dey see am. Now to say it make I go Benin airport here. Make I go ask how much they carry flights. Make I go. I dey go. Me and my brother. I fall for center of Ring Road. I reach there. They come tell me say not be there but they do airport this thing. I call my sister. My sister say okay. Now we take all go Lagos. After we don do all those things finish, we call back. My sister come later. Call they tell me say he not send me Lagos so. After all those waka, I don't waka. We don't spend my own 500k. When I don't take sell my door for store. All my own door when I get for that matter, I sell all. I sell everything. Then my sister say, you don't know how they do the matter. So the thing call they go. I don't know what I want to do again.
Wait, I want to ask them one question. Hello, my sister. Hello.
May they talk how they do the matter.
Me brother.
I'm George.
Sir, I want to talk one thing.
You they call me brother.
Wait, we go talk. Wait. Did they still send you people the compensation money?
No.
Not be we that they talk.
No, not be that be talk to.
That's why I send you all the screenshots.
Yes,
You send us the compensation money. That's check all the screenshots that I sent you.
okay. Now, let me check. So the compensation money is still with them till today, till tomorrow, right?
We can't get the compensation money. It's not possible.
Okay.
Exactly. It's not with us.
Okay.
The lawyer said, you can see in the email, she was asking for IBAN number. I told her, like, Nigeria does not have an IBAN number, but I called the bank and they said they can get a SWIFT code. They said I can get the SWIFT code. So that is also what I asked them to go and ask the bank for a SWIFT code. Because then we can try that. We can send it to the lawyer and she can see if with the SWIFT code they can do something. There were so many excuses.
Okay, it is even written in English.
It's written in English because I don't speak French. My French is not strong.
So everything was in English, right?
Yes.
So I can read it to the general public now.
You can read it, but you have to check if everything is in the correct order.
Mm-hmm.
So the first screenshot I sent you is what my parents were explaining earlier. So when we found out she was in France,
okay, now I want to read this to the public, and I want to start from refuneral emergency, right? To Celine Daudat, right? Celine Daudat. I think this is an email address that was stated.
That's her name, Celine Daudat.
Okay, that was stated on the 17th of February 2025. Dear Celine, I hope this message finds you well. Once again, our family is deeply grateful for your hard work and the support you have provided us during this process. Currently, the family is facing some financial challenges and is also dealing with a passport issue that they are in the process of resolving. It's possible that only one of the parents will be able to travel due to the expenses involved. Would it make a difference if it's the mother or the father? Also, will France still require a DNA test in this case? You previously mentioned that there is no embassy in Nigeria, but we do have a French embassy in Nigeria. Could you please provide information regarding the visa cost? Additionally, the family is wondering if June is too far off. I mentioned your earlier comments about the urgency of the situation, but they would like to know the latest possible date for travel to allow them more time to gather the necessary funds. Would you mind summarizing the missing information once more? I'm having a bit of difficulty keeping track of the information you mentioned that you missed. Thank you once again for all your assistance. I look forward to replying you. Kind regards. Who sent this one to you?
No, you are reading the one that I sent to her. You need to read the ones where you can see her name, Selinda Dua. So this is the response I gave her.
Okay.
So check the one first. You can start with the 22 January. There you should start. I think that's better.
Is this document official? Or it was you who wrote it?
Is that what you're asking me? Is the documents are official?
Yeah, is it official?
Yeah, this is her email address. You can, if you want, I can even send you a screenshot where you can see her full email address. But I don't know how she will feel about me exposing her email.
Send me their email, because I have a lot of people in France that I can send it to, that can also come and translate to me.
Of course, you can send it to anybody you need to send. I can even send you the lawyer's number if you want, because she mentioned, I'm going to send you another email yesterday to ask me for the number of the parents, because I explained the whole situation to her, because honestly, this thing is very sad. So she asked me for the parents' number, I sent it to her, and she's going to call the parents by herself to explain everything and her reasons for withdrawing the case.
Why is all of them in English? I don't understand. It should have been in French now.
I can't speak French, so I need to talk to her in English to be able to understand everything that she's asking.
Yes, but you would have sent it to them like that, so that they can look for someone that will translate for them now.
Yes.
Because the way you are doing it, I believe they send it to you in French. If you translate it, you send it to them in French. Okay, so that they will go and look for a translator. That would have been better.
I did not send it to them in French. I sent it to her in English. And she... Okay, maybe that would have been better, but for me, honestly...
Yes, you know what? I would want you to send me in French. Send it to me in French. Just the way they sent it to you.
But then you want me to translate it, so then it's not the same thing.
No, you don't need to translate it. Just send it to me like that in French, so that I can be able to send it to someone who can read French and interpret for me what the context of the letter is. There must be a stamp.
What I'm trying to tell you is that I sent her emails in English, and she replies me in English as well. We don't have any French email.
Who did you send? Who? I don't understand. Who sent it to you in English and you replied in English?
This is the lawyer. Selinda Dua is the lawyer.
Okay, can I have the lawyers? Can I also have the lawyer's number too?
Of course. I can send you, but I need to ask for permission first. So that will be tomorrow, Monday, because I need to ask her permission before I share her contact. So that's no problem. I can ask her, and then I can send it to you.
Okay, then this matter will be on hold again till tomorrow.
That's a good idea, even, Mama. They can better call with the lawyer, because the lawyer can explain everything from beginning to the end. That's good.
Okay, what's the law?
I think that's a better idea. The lawyer can even tell you how long she had to wait for little things like, oh, we sent something and sign it. Those kind of little things will take like more than a week for them to even respond. The lawyer can tell you everything. I hope she'll be able to. Do you speak French?
I don't speak French, but I have people that can interpret for me in French. I have fans. I have my fans in France that can speak French that can interpret for me.
That's amazing. Yeah, that's amazing. I can do that for you.
Okay. No problem. No problem. Please, I want to speak to your mom.
Hello, good afternoon. Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening, mommy favor.
I beg now, France are they still. If you get lawyer for France, now France they want to write you everything when you get for court. Now France they tell the right or not be English. Oh, now you are going to change that for your go-go. Now you are going to change that for your go-go to English, because we will be have Nigeria. We know they hear French. Now we go call translator for go-go, but any lawyer for year. Now France that they use They know they use English. I don't know where the woman for see English English woman where you see for you.
Listen to them.
Which kind from one that people be this one? God I beg go. I bet now when they stay for France, more of una climb up. Una don't see this one before? Never, you know they happen. Bros, you know they happen, no. Everything when they want write, now French, they want to write you. No, nothing like English.
If you know you live in France, come up. If you know you live in France,
if you know you live in France, I bet climb. Hey, me I don't there France for 13 years. The man they make born there. Now what? Now bye.
But like email supposed to communicate, it's in English. Communication through email is in English. Because I don't understand French.
Don't worry. What's your name again? Right? I think Celine.
My name is Tina.
Okay, your name is Tina. We're going to get to the root of this, okay? Probably, maybe her spirit has not rested. She just wants everything to be okay before her spirit can rest. I believe this is the reason why this is coming up after 2 years. I need Ella, please. You both should bring Ella up for me. Wanna bring Ella up for me?
I'm not yet to do so. I just want to send the lawyer's number. I think I'm even going to send it to him.
The lawyer's number, and I believe the lawyer is a legal practitioner. So if we put his name on Google,
yeah, I'll just send you the number. Hold on, I'm sending you the number now. Let me send it to you. Hold on. I'll just let her know.
This guy's part up and say,
Epa, I just the verse since. Epa, we say you feel see the way the verse, I swear to God, this live video everywhere for those scatter. At the verse, Epa, you see that lawyer when they say they contact so. Now Jennifer's social net contact the lawyer. When this lawyer a pastor to the same paper, you see this sister of Jennifer where he say when the issue happen and brother call him, that woman is a bloody liar. I call that woman a pa. How I say get her number because the time when she and Jennifer get problem, Jennifer tell me say she insult this woman. So she gave me the woman number to apologize to the woman. That time me and Jennifer we still dey talk. She said she apologize to this her sister. So I messaged her sister. She didn't reply. So when this matter happened, I have that number. That number that I have, I also asked Jenny family for her number. I contacted her to tell her that, see, wetin happen oh, we need you now. Now me tell government say she get sister for Netherlands. Jennifer claim her mother. Yes, she thought say she not get papa, but she declare her mother and 6 other children. With 6 other children. If they say I dey lie, I go find people where they hear French. When they call me for WhatsApp, I will find another phone to put the social online. People where they really know Jennifer social, I will put her online. I will be talking to her. As if now me want get information for her. People go list it or can't tell you a pa. Did they hear me so bad? This woman was aware. When she they do everything, the document that Kisley sent to me the first time, when Kisley said they say they do travel matter, I sent it to the social. When social look this woman stamp and everything, the social say which kind lawyer they write like this? That lawyer call me a pa. Lawyer flash me. I call lawyer back. Lawyer call they do biza. She be one ask me information. You get
when they do biza.
She can't do biza. And they talk to lawyer. Children they cry for background. She said she will call me that she don't have time. She don't do this. I end my call. Since that time can't reach now, me and lawyer not talk. Jennifer story where you want change for Europe, that they change story. Person story where don't talk, then they change person surname for Europe. Then they change person surname. Now you give Jennifer story where Jennifer talk before he died. Where you want change Jennifer story. Okay, I tell they say she get auntie for Netherlands. Auntie you come. Now auntie you be. It not compulsory say you and Jennifer must answer the same surname. It not compulsory. You now you want change the guest story. Now you get story story. You want change the girl story. All the paper where you they write now in English. Which French government they write documents in English?
Even for
Which
Germany.
French government? Jam now for person for a lawyer where she carry away de Paris. Now Paris the lawyer, then now Paris she for take lawyer. Now Paris she for carry lawyer. Who does that?
Okay. Ella, you go do me one favor. I want make we mute. Make Osato and talk to us. You guys can get to materials. I bet me brother wait. Sato and talk. One ya one mute. Sato and on mute.
Okay, sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening, everybody. About this issue, this traveling of a team, which is my brother already explained for. He said, one may I still remember. When he don't reach for travel, the first person that my mom they want carry. Because say no, say as it be so, you know if he carry my mom, he get go carry my brother. Say my brother in one call carry. Say no be carry my mommy again. Now one of my sister just sibling and family member to us. Because say if he say na my mommy want my daddy in one carry, he go carry my mommy confront. Because he can't change the matter. He confusion for everywhere. Call they quarrel with us. Call they keep. He gonna call they follow us. They talk again. Say so blah blah blah. This one in English not the correct. Not because say this one cause quarrel. Say as he say one carry my daddy. May he carry. Not because he not get problem. He say if my brother ain't want carry, may he already decide. Because when my mommy and my daddy go think can, may they decide I can't give am feedback. Now my mommy can say if not so, may he carry the husband, no problem for the burial time. So when they go airport, because he get one see maybe say they talk say Sare maybe they plan one carry my sister dead body come back. Because I talk on that day, say Sare maybe they plan one carry my sister dead body come back. So me talk, I care.
Sato and anyway, you not be Osarime. Why they call her name like that? She's your elder, she's your father's younger sister. That's your auntie. You call her sister Osarime. What's Osarime? Continue. Continue.
Where do you want to carry my sister come me back?
Everything is on the video, but the same.
Continue. Umuti.
We tried for the burial.
So I want to
wait.
I want me to help me ask. I want me to help me ask her why if you want to carry my sister dead body come back.
Okay, Mama, may you wait, Mama. Continue.
No problem.
Continue. Sato and continue.
Because when we go
Continue now.
area.
Good evening, everyone. When it comes,
Continue.
good evening, everyone.
Their network bad.
It was period when she come. We come for this our lawyer. Hello.
I know they hear now.
Hello. Can you hear me?
I hear you.
Network. Hello. Network.
Yes, we can hear you. We can hear you.
Okay. So when we can't go her house, she can't say she want call her lawyer. which is my auntie. She said she want call her lawyer. She invite us over to her place. We can't go. So that day pass, she called us say, nah, the next day, abi, now she want call the lawyer. We sleep there, now there we take do Christmas. We sleep there that day. So the next day, call the lawyer. She come now.
The network, the wave. You know what you do for me, Ella? You are still going to play a very big role in this particular issue. Tomorrow, before they come in, you need to go and talk to them to be organized. We have to be sincere. These people are disorganized. They don't have unity among them. Everybody they talk their own. This one we all carry phone. That's what I do. Everybody's just talking on their own. And with this thing, so it go get difficult for them to get justice. Hello, with what they happen, so and their explanation they always they stop for road. This is their sister we are talking about here. They have to be bold and confidential in this, because we will be Nigeria. They could lose interest or something. Because if this thing go for like 2, 3, 4 days, this matter will they see, so nobody will get interested again. Because they are not even like, if one person want to talk, make every other person mute. Make every other person quiet. Make the rest of them listen. I don't know if you understand me.
Epa, can I say something? Epa, can I say something?
Yeah.
Before people go start to lose the interest, now the one way carry me come, let me go first talk first. Epa, the one way carry me come, now the children, and now since where we they judge the matter from starting from Genesis to Revelation, I know they hear the children matter for inside. Now the children don't really tie me for this matter. Auntie we don't do travel, no work. Auntie they in house, then too they their house. Now the children matter gone. Now it's how he tie me, Epa. You dey get me?
Should be like you they go to see the children since then.
Yes, Epa.
So why you can't stop?
You say Wetin? Epa never stop, Epa never stop. I only tell you, say my husband was not happy. He wanted me to stop, but I never stop. You understand? That day that you sent message to me, I talked to him and say, I see you. You see Wetin Epa talk that, please, you understand? So I never stop. But Epa, I'm not assuring you that I will be here always.
Oh.
You don't understand? So that's why me I'm asking for help. Now those children won't hold me. Like when anybody don't leave past, it's none of my business.
Okay. See what we are doing.
Epa, truth is very is good to say. Epa, as we dey look this matter, here and here, all those people they don't shop money. What did they shop? All those people, pass it down now, go shop money for corner. Because if you say me we look at me, that lawyer when they bring that their lawyer na fake. Lawyer no English, lawyer no English. But for you, when they French here, when lawyer they speak French for you. Any letter when you go get na French they take the right hand. Why they all different? What did they shop? Well, a family where don't shop money, I buy for now. Una go use person where don't pay their shop money. What did they shop? Even the night with the talk, this woman never talk about the children since.
Apart from the children, we never still know where they can stop the case. Since
nothing like that.
They never still
process, don't take care. If I tell you say enter their pocket, you not go believe me. Oh, they don't share on nah. They go bring that money come out. When I go carry mama, in my mind, no carry enter Europe. Confirm. What if you get right for grant? Not be what you go right for paper, they go collect you for.
This is an allegedly, I will say allegedly because we never catch them red and they say they shop money. But to make matters worse, the family back home in Nigeria is not even happy issues.
Now they play there, bros. If you see the game, listen for what they talk. Now this their sister they do the show, bros. Don't pull her down. If they say now the mama they need straight ahead, France don't go argue because the matter don't do that government. They go bring him mama down. They can't do a guru. They don't go borrow mama now. As they borrow mama, the money can't come out. What did they tell me? Now me they tell you, bros.
Augusta, my brother. No, wait first. Not be
He
Ayala
go
matter.
talk, he not be waiting for me to go talk.
I was one for Ayala. What favor say?
He go say, not be waiting for me to go talk.
Oga,
I swear God, I say.
Oga, see, Oga, wait, Oga, wait. Hey,
Why
Mama,
the
wait.
pikin? You don't talk about the pikin. You say you be sister. You don't talk about the pikin. Where the pikin? You dey go see the children.
Mama, wait first now. Everybody gets a suggestion. Mama, wait. Mama, wait. You Salibwari. Mama, wait first. See, Mama.
Why you not fit carry them?
If
Why
I
you not
don't
fit
hear
carry the
word,
mama come
if I
Europe?
hear word where they talk, say na the papa and the mama say make the children suffer. If you dey hear word where she dey talk,
Can you
if I swear to
imagine?
God, after this live stream, me I'm stepping down.
He said
They
the
are not
mama, the
related
papa,
to
say
me.
make the
I'm
children suffer
stepping
as
down
the
from those
waiting.
children.
Wait now, Madam. Wait first. Wait first, Madam.
Madam, God go punish you for you not to take care of that girl's children. God go punish you, yeah, sister. You not be better sister. For you to bring the sister come Europe, you not fit bring her come. Who worry ya? Why you not bring your mama come? Why you not bring your mama? Make us see pikin dead body. If pikin dead body when dead grand, why you not bring the mother?
I'm not the year way. Madam, you dey speak pidgin English, sis. Madam, you dey speak pidgin English, sis. Why you call it stress me with English? Eh, Madam?
No, my pidgin English. No, my pidgin English. My pidgin
Now for
language.
okay, your pidgin English dey mix with your own language. You know what you do for me, Madam? Wait. You see what you said for me, so wait now, Madam. I want me your daughter. No. I want me your daughter tomorrow. May try contact the lawyer. Adam your madam. Tomorrow, I want your daughter to call the lawyer. May give me the number. I get what I'll give. You understand? Then at the end of the day, we go still come back here.
I've sent you the number of the lawyer.
Okay. So Mana is to send it to some people that can speak French. Now I'll get back to you again tomorrow morning.
If I no give, say you get another person where you want send a give, not be pick me woman, you want send a give so.
Ella.
If I no give, say not be pick me woman, you want send a give. Because since morning I see your goddaughter not be pick me woman. Because they defend the man family since say no be you want send that paper give. Because this morning I suppose not send you document. No, if I me no you want that one.
You concern Perry. Wait
me no want that one. It's now another person no wahala. But you see that pick me girl, so not try
Madam,
I can't get many people for France now.
Ella, wait. The thing not concern Perry. Perry just bring the whole suggestion that day. Not me say the thing concern Perry.
I can't get many people for Paris. No worry.
The Perry I get for France. I get people for France now. Hello, Madam, you hear me?
Hello?
Madam, you hear me? Yes. I see. I'm going to call you guys tomorrow. I will save your number now. Okay, tell me.
So when I sent the lawyer a message yesterday, I got an automatic reply in French, which says that she's on a holiday, but I got an emergency number, so I'm also going to send it to you.
Okay.
In case you can, but you can see in the screenshot, you can see her.
In case I cannot reach out with the other number, I will call the emergency number. Okay. Because I answer with no. I need not to. If we use quarrel to this thing, they're not going to talk again. We don't see the end of this thing. We know it's limited. Thank you. I'll call you guys tomorrow. Rainbow Mommy.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. Pana they hear me? I feel talk more than no verse. I beg. But we may not the more opinion still rich. Ella, I beg one beg you for one thing. Before you go into this case more deeper, you need to tell them make they work out for you for us. That one is very compulsory. You they get me because you not be part of the family. You'd already try, and God will bless you. They get me. Not be everybody they stand for Percy. They get me. So you still say me they still work out for you for us. We still will not be your may not go meet your eye. Two, Epa, she be the girl mama na Benin woman.
Yeah.
They're supposed to slap him mama for back, make she wake up. Sorry to tell you, Mudia. Epa Mudia, sorry to say that. Mudia Epa ide, they need to slap him mama. Mudia ide, I know na parable I make. I know not be insult.
Okay,
Mudia
they need to tap.
tap him mama. Sorry, now I don't know how to put her for English. They need to tap him mama, make she wake up because na Benin woman. You they get me? Because I not expect say mama go dey very dull rich like this for pikin matter. Before the girl come, they Kpai the girl where mama dey. Which church mama dey go? They blind the pastor. I hope Benin women will know they're not the door. I swear to God. But this woman alone, her own is very dull. And three, and number three, that her auntie, you know, so we get for each family we get auntie. We come for papa side and mama side. We be say if they don't travel, they don't want anybody better pass them. Anybody reach their level. The one made that they call the Alpha and Omega. The open winning. Now be that auntie, you know that the pain for body. Now not make no one help that family. Until you not go to blame the children where they grant. Because they don't know how they take they do travel. Yeah, man, they never come for that Benin. They don't know what they call abroad. You they get me. So now anything where they tell them, now that they follow, and they are not smart enough and they are not composed. You they get me? So now they worry that children. For that Osato, for instance, if Osato see person will put on through that get sharp past the rest of the way the rest of your brothers and your sister, that Osato first, that small way that they call Vasabi. If they feel put that girl where that girl maybe say that girl not be the senior, but may not take that boy.
If the fit get
coordinated, take that senior. He said that Osato not take the senior boy because the senior boy ni Ogwahowa. Only him. I'm very sorry. Egwe pa. He said that Osato over Sabi girl, now take that senior one position. I swear to God, that all waiting they happen so they're supposed to dey hot seat. And the papa na greedy man. We are not greedy. Not greedy. Because when you hear the story, the auntie wanted their brother to come over. Because that family they have a lot.
Before you explain, not use insulting words on anybody.
Okay, I not say okay, sorry. I know I want to put up for English. You know, in my year school, you're supposed to be correct me.
Who should say not go school?
In my year school, I understand the honest saga. In my year school.
I know go ye. What's you're not losing no there? Come on down.
Me. In my way me rock. In my way me rock.
But when you boy it's about
you must tell box. I love about why me that. Okay. And two, and number two, they're supposed to like you. They get me this issue. They're supposed to take it serious because the family they are taking this issue as a joke.
Exactly.
Not even a jokey.
That's the thing with the payment.
The issue they are taking it as a joke, and that one way that they talk say they bring the paper now the lawyer na English only whole you know. Maybe na lawyer, maybe the woman that their auntie daughter na be the lawyer. Maybe that their auntie daughter wey dey speak English that be the lawyer because for all country, even this my country where I dey if they give you later is in Swedish and you have to translate with your Google. You open your camera for your Google, you translate, or you go tell the same people who take that for you. Mama favor I dey come, sorry I dey come, mama. Or you go tell the place where they for send you the letter. They can book an appointment with you with any translator in English. They go translate for you. Any letter where they send, because they not they send in English to anybody. Even your invoice where you they pay. Your invoice where you they pay a loan, everything comes with the same language where you live. They don't send it in English. Awa is not in this Europe. Will they get me, pa? Maybe now daughter will graduate for the level we reach for lawyer. Now they take do lawyer for that Netherlands for them. Because I never see where the person because the only thing where she go little say the waiting they put for English now waiting in with the lawyer do conversation for email or message. Now only that one go fit there for English, but for authority from France it's going to be in a France letter. French. You they get me? So that their auntie have a lot to, say, and the husband too, that husband are very big suspect. There's a lot that man wanted to say, but the woman not let him talk finish. That their auntie husband. There's a lot concerning that amigo where the man be want talk, but the auntie not let her step down finish. You they get me? So that man, now in with your husband, they know what they do. So if they go into detail, there's a lot going on. Those people they don't want to bring her out. They just bring that English letter come outside, but they take confused everywhere. Tell them to bring the original document where France sent to the lawyer where they own land, where give them. May auntie push everything come outside. There's a lot of things.
Thank you, Rainbow. Let's see.
Yeah.
Let's see.
So I beg, what I want begging for, beg the children, mostly the children, make they very smart and organized, make they wake up. And the mama too. Please.
For tomorrow, make one person they talk, make they go try.
Make they go France embassy.
Yeah. And Ella, beg, before you do anything, my sister, waka o, because when they're easy, waka, tell your mommy check for you. I say, Rich, thank you for the space, pa.
Okay, now, but I want to talk one thing before I go. I bet madam. Now, what you see for me, now talk. Now, call the sweat for me. It not concern you, madam. I beg. Now, contribute, I can contribute. Not call them, I contribute, to cut. Power,
So Ella, you are going to work hand in hand, but please, I don't want me to bring issues of you and somebody. You are going to work hand in hand, okay? Everybody gets right to contribute, but I know who I'm saying.
Epa, you not watch the video this morning.
I'm not there around.
Around, Epa. Okay, Papi go tell you the video. I said the Jew desperado, she desperado, for me, my belly calm down. Epa, me will tell you the video later, make you hear your goddaughter. Epa, no send that beg.
As you the yes, you the Jew desperado.
Epa, the Jew, Epa, me, I just see. May you by swipe the camera, your wait. Epa, see, your chi, you are going.
Oh, still laugh. Not everything be seriousness. All right, no problem. Let me talk to the family. I just want to make Kingsley day as a man. If now Sato and Meo, if now their last born, between now till tomorrow, make them look for who go who will talk tomorrow. Not be say one person will talk, you know, finish. Another one will say, now good evening. So, no, not be say people talk like this. Now so now. No, we don't need it like that. You understand? Mona try as much as possible. Between now till tomorrow, Mona choose person from una family where go feel represent una. Now that person will call the represent una. So in this case, go finish for ground because this girl spirit never rest. He never rest because person with that is 2024. She still dey active till now. She just want everything to be okay and her children in a perfect place before she can go and rest in peace. She love the patrol for TikTok. You understand? So women, all these things will happen so not be only women. If they date to my way before that quarrel, one of my ex that time for Benjo, that make me and her break up. Not be saying the girl not be nice person, but anytime me and her quarrel, it will scatter my phone. If we don't settle, we will come buy a new one for me. I couple the new SIM card. If they quarrel like this, it will carry for go fling out to television. And I said, not be me. If I marry this one,
you will marry
they beat me on social media, better pass it, they kill me. Understand? Now me break up with that one that time. Now me break up with them. Because that girl was so demonic. When she's angry, she will carry knife and she will use her to enjoy you if you not wrong. So if you date that kind of person for this Europe, and those kind of people now they are preach the sweet pass. Hello? If you come because of preach, you go lose your life. Now you know. If you come because of Toto is sweet, you see girl where they carry knife, but it's a bit scream, it's a bit suck your prick. Because of that one, you did that. Now you know. What? Oh my God! Now rest in peace will react. I will let Oma. Papa not fit there follow Pikin. Pikin not the there follow Papa. No matter how important you are in this life, the day you die, that day you know say you not get level. Even your wife, your husband of them who they shift. If they see your dead body, they go do pray. It's like shark. It's like the day that they bury you, that life shall go move on. Try and understand all these things. With or without us, life will move on. There was a time whereby we not did this life, and the day will come where we not do this life again. Know all these things. Now fair go be meat. So no let man take you come up for this life because of prick. Because some women if na see prick, oh you know obo sardine. Before I will go,